Hi friends, once again welcome to our channel. Today in this session I will discuss about two companies, that is Bridging Technologies and the other is IBM. So in this session I will discuss about the recruitment process, eligibility criteria and how you can apply in these two companies. So if I talk about Bridging Technology, so basically it is a healthcare technology. It's an American multinational company. Headquarters is in California and founded in 2016, right? So, and if I talk about in India, location is like Mohali and Punjab. Bridging Technology basically develops, customizes, supports, and sells softwares and services, right? So I will share the a mail. You can forward your resume on the same mail ID. So once the CVs get selected, you will be getting a reply on the same mail ID. Okay. So coming on IBM. So IBM is hiring for associate system engineer. So they are hiring for a fresher on campus drive, and like they are looking for they are the following skills they are looking like Java, Python, Node.js, and software development life cycle concepts. So work location will be Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, NCR, Gurgaon, Noida, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore, and Ahmedabad. So they are hiring for, and in this criteria like BTech, MTech, MSc, MCA, CSIT students can also apply. Minimum 6 CGPA is fine, okay, for them. And what you have to do is I will share this link in the description. You have to just click on the link, and you will be forward on the same site, on the same web page. So just you need to click on apply now. After clicking, you will see a form in front of you, and here you need to upload your resume, updated resume. Okay. And in this first name, last name, the email ID, and if you have any experience then well and good, otherwise you can fill intern in this. Area of interest is like whatever interests you have, like cloud, open source, or security, or AI and data science. And if you talk preferred language will be English. Primary skills will be like developer you can apply for, and country is India. And you need to then you have to tap on no thanks, continue to apply. After doing this, you will be getting this web page. So again, these are the roles and responsibilities is mentioned in front of you. Design application, write code, test, debug, and maintain software application. And work location is also given. Again, who can apply? Minimum required education is bachelor degree, and the preferred education will be can be master degree also. So this is an entire entry level on campus hiring position. Okay, so BTech, MTech can apply. So this is all about IBM Associate System Engineer position. So it's a full-time opportunity. So those who haven't applied till yet can apply. And after this, you need to apply to job. You have to click on apply to job, and you will be getting a confirmation mail on your mail ID, on the same mail ID. If I talk about interview process of IBM, so it will be first round will be written assessment, second will be technical round, and the third will be HR round. And if I talk about Bridging Technologies, most probably there will be an interview, 2 or 3 rounds of interview. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.